Hello, how are you, friends? Hope that this finds you well. I'm excited to show the March Potomac Beads box. Oh my goodness. Where's my paper? Alright, this is called Pink Lemonade. This box offers a vibrant ambiance featuring a mix of soft pinks, muted yellows, and peach tones, creating a lively yet balanced palette. The pinks add sweetness while the yellows energize and brighten. The peach tones bring warmth and balance to the box. Crystal navettes enhance the elegance, while dark peach pearls add depth and richness, bringing a timeless vibe. Flower charms add a whimsical, nature-inspired touch, resulting in a dreamy, inspiring aesthetic. So my son's home, and my office is below his room, so you might be able to hear him bouncing around right now. But yeah, let's get into Pink Lemonade. They sent me a free gift of some round duos in that teal color I love. Look at these bicone crystals. Oh my goodness, those pinks, beautiful. Light rose. Oh, look at that AB finish. Oh my goodness, some more bicone crystals. These are cool. Check pink gold wash. Look at those. So pretty. Very different. Oh my, this pearl color is beautiful. Oh, so pretty. These are the navettes. They have holes in them. We've used these before. These are a lot of fun. Some more, oh, this is a ruler, beading ruler. This is my tool for this month. So, gotta take the paper backing off, and then I can use it. There we go. Very nice. Oh, maybe. Didn't get it all. That's okay. We'll get some more here in a sec. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Woo! Now those are yellow. Wow. Wowzers. Yeah. Very yellow. Eva beads and Aztec gold. Those are fun. Oh, look at these flower things. So fun. Flower pendants. Very nice. Looks like there's room to glue something in the middle if you want, or sew through it. Oh, translucent jasmine 8-ohs. Look at those, Mayukis. Some curved tube beads and silver plated. Round and lila. It's probably lilac luster. Whew. Look at those check faceted rounds in baby pink. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. And smooth rounds in frosted yellow. So pretty. And white daggers. Peach rondelles. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that. Flower design. Those are gorgeous. And then a strand of some yellow beads. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll make some earrings out of these. I'm not sure. But make sure you watch for my design on the fly. Alrighty. Thanks, friends, for joining me this month. Hopefully you will get your own and enjoy it. Yeah, we'll see you next time.